Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. And I said, yes, I did say Classic Cars of Sarasota. But today we have a 2018 McLaren 570S Spider. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we do deal in all makes and models. Traditionally, we are classic cars, domestic, as you can see from the line of C2 Corvettes that we have here. Some Camaros and Mustangs back there, but again today we're covering this McLaren. We do have all makes and models, including exotics. This is Elite Ventura Orange. It's got the jet black Nappa leather. We'll show you inside. Open up the doors and look inside. It is a gorgeous looking vehicle. Only 2,600 miles, clean Carfax, 3.8 liter V8, 7-speed, dual clutch on this beautiful 2018 McLaren here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, this vehicle has a lot of options. The seatbelt, the MSO defined orange, tire pressure monitoring, Pirelli tires, ceramic brakes, McLaren orange calipers. It does have a vehicle lift system. As you can see, the 10-spoke lightweight stealth wheels. It's got parking sensors, rear parking camera. Parking sensors are rear and front. Comes with a battery tender, car cover, branded floor mats. Again, it's beautiful, beautiful McLaren. Go ahead and open up the door here. Got that traditional flip open door, as McLarens are known for. Again, as I mentioned, the jet black Nappa interior. It is the carbon black McLaren orange jet black interior. It's got the sport exhaust. Bowers and Wilkins speakers, the best you can get. 12 speaker system in this 2018 McLaren. Again, it has 2,600 miles on the vehicle. Let me just go grab the keys and we'll start it up. Left them on the desk in here. If you are interested in this car, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website for photos, additional information of the vehicle at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Go ahead and get in and start it up here. Everything comes on, starts right up. As you can see, 2,600 miles. The parking brake is on, the brake and no seatbelt. That's what the red lights are. Temperature, fuel gauge, tach, all systems good. Does come with nav. All system. It's not going to capture since we're inside. Again, very well kept vehicle, in great shape. Go ahead and shut it off. Yes, the key is in the vehicle with me. And we'll go ahead and lift this up so you can see the underneath. There's not much to see as it's just one piece of aero that goes from the front to the back. But we'll go ahead and show you the underneath. It's in great shape. Again, nobody's been running over curbs or hitting rocks or anything of that nature. When you see the bottom, it's very clean, nice looking vehicle. Again, this 2018 McLaren 570S Spider here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. We can ship this car worldwide. Our office manager, Kayla, does all our shipping inbound and outbound. She can take care of your needs. We don't ship direct. We do use brokers, but we can ship just about anywhere. We ship cars to Asia this year, Netherlands, Budapest, Hungary, Australia, Canada, and I think about 16 or 18 US states so far this year. So Kayla can certainly take care of your needs for shipping. Again, you can see the bottom of the vehicle, very clean, no issues. As I mentioned, it's smooth, flat bottom for aero, but again, there's no issues or marks or defects that you can see, as you would expect with a car that only has 2,600 miles on it. Like new condition, just come off. You can see the air ducts for the brakes right there. And again, still some decals on it. That's where you put the jack. So again, very, very clean car. We do have financing available. We do work with a few lenders that are able to finance this vehicle for you. If you are interested, please give us a call or see the website for more details. Again, show you a quick view of the showroom. Old pickup, Chevy Malibu, some Camaros, obviously our C2 Corvettes here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. All vehicles are kept inside, 58,000 square foot warehouse. Everything's kept inside. Detailer comes twice a week and keeps them clean. So when you get your new car from us, it is clean and you can turn the keys on and go. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955.